Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I am going to teach you the snatched smoky winged eyeliner with soft color. It's so easy, you don't need any tape. I will teach in the simplest way I can. So let's get started. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. I'm taking this shade from Morphe 3503 palette, starting over by applying the shade on my crease. First, I'm applying to build some color pigment on my eye. Don't worry, we will blend it later. On to the other eye. This brush is from drugstore. Taking this lighter brown shade, blending the harsh edges on my crease. Same on the other eye. Taking this short smudger brush by Morphe Brushes, taking this black shade, applying the shade same as we used to apply eyeliner, starting from the outer V and dragging it outwards. This method will give you a smoky look. This big fluffy blending brush and applying this black shade to the inner corner. Same on the other eye. Taking this gold shade and applying it to the center of my lid. Taking this brush from Morphe Brushes and blending every single shade. This gold pencil is from NYX Cosmetics. Applying on my waterline. This tiny angle brush is from Wet n Wild Cosmetics. Applying this brownish shade starting from the inner corner. And filling the inner corner and draw a pointed angle. This mascara is from Benefit Cosmetics. Applying on my lashes. So this is a complete look. I hope you all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.